guys, I'm Caitlin. I'm here at the Splendid offices in downtown LA. We're doing a little Splendid styling session. This is our beautiful model, Xenia, and we're just gonna show you a bunch of like super summery, easy pieces that could be transferred from like daytime, beach, whatever, transferred into nighttime. Okay, so first up, we have these beautiful geofern printed pants. They're extremely lightweight, very flowy. I paired it back to this beautiful like moonstone kind of creamy tank. And it's really pretty because they have like this pointel little texture on it. Styled it back to some easy sandals, just some slides, but my favorite part about them is the little like circle and cream detail on the top, because I feel like that just really pairs back well to the color theme of it all. Added a little big straw bag so you could throw in all your stuff. And then I added these really fun sunglasses. I feel like it just kind of gives it a little bit of a cool factor, and I love how the color plays off the fern kind of green gray in the pant. And then I'm gonna show you how to transfer this look to nighttime. So now we kind of just switched a couple things to make it really cute for the evening. So first we swapped out the shoes for a little bit of a heel, which I think is so cute. And one of my favorite parts about it is the gold detail on it to match back to these beautiful gold earrings. Any kind of like cool statement earring, I feel like would just like elevate the outfit for the evening. Swapped out the big tote bag for something a little smaller with some more gold detail, a little clutch, so it's easy to hold. And then if you want, you could even kind of drape this over your shoulder if it gets a little cold for your like chilly nights in Malibu, you know? And I love it. Super cute. And you can take the sunglasses off, but I still really like it. Okay, so this is our second look. This is maybe my favorite. I have this dress in the moonstone color, and I feel like it's a staple. Everyone needs this dress because number one, it could be dressed down super casually like this. I love styling it with some sneakers. Obviously I love dresses and sneakers. To kind of create a very effortless vibe, we style it with a baseball cap. You can also throw on a denim jacket. Or if you get like hot, or just for another like styling thing, you could just tie it around your waist for a little like LA cool girl kind of look. But one of the main reasons why I love this dress is because you can easily dress it up. You could wear it to like an event, you could wear it to work, or just like out and about, running around, or to the beach, or whatever. It's a linen blend, and the straps are adjustable. And I'm gonna show you how to swap out a couple things just to make it easy transition into night. Okay, so this is the nighttime version of the look. Same dress, we just ditched the sneakers, denim jacket, and what else do we have? The hat? Yeah, just to kind of make it super chic and simple. Pulled our hair back, added a fun gold earring, some dainty white heels, and to kind of pair back to the shoes, we added this really cute bag to pair back to the cream shoes, and it's just like this really cute, fun, simple, chic summer look. This is such a pretty look. This is a linen blend set. It comes in a bunch of different colors, but I love this moonstone kind of creamy white. Adorable. The pants are like this wide leg drawstring pant. They're slightly oversized, but like I would get your true to size, because it's just supposed to be like easy, breezy, flowy, all of the fun things that we like in the summer. Okay, but there are so many ways to tie and kind of style this top. So one of my favorite ways is to always roll the sleeve. I feel like it just kind of adds a little something. It makes it a little more like, I don't know, easy to do things, you know? So I love to roll the sleeves. Something else that I tend to do, which is like a little strange, but if you just want to play with the neckline, you can. I like to sometimes tuck in the collar, so it's more of like a deep V, and you could even like unbutton one. So it's like a little different of a look, or you can play around and just totally leave it open or tie it up. So I untucked the collar and unbuttoned all the buttons besides the middle one. And what I'm going to do is just tie it up into a little knot. You could wear it with a swimsuit underneath, something super easy and very like resorty and chic. Also paired it with some simple accessories like this straw hat, gold jewelry, a fun kind of shell necklace, and some neutral sandals. Okay, so we swapped out the button down for this really, really pretty open knit tank. It is a little see-through. I would just wear like nude or white underneath and it's perfect. We kept it simple by just adding a fun earring, added a little like clutch, some gold to pair back to the earring, and some platform sandals. This is a great evening look, but also still on the casual side. I feel like I would wear this out to dinner or hanging out with my girlfriends, something like that. And I love it. Here is another look. I love this one. The color is gorgeous. It's like this like bluish kind of gray color. It's very lightweight. Again, some wide leg pants with a drawstring waist. It has pockets. And then this is a really cute peplum top. You can either like kind of have it sit lower, or if you wanted to, you can kind of like keep it, what's the word? Like, I don't know, situated like up top, because of there's some ruching that kind of cinches your waist here. But we like it just like that. We added a straw hat, some cool sunnies, which I think just kind of like elevates it a little bit, some earrings and some straw accessories. And then to style it for nighttime, I think we're gonna just layer and pile on the jewelry and make it like super dramatic and maybe add a pop-up color. I'm gonna show you in a second. Okay, so this is the nighttime version. We decided to play with silver. I love gold, but I think this color pairs back really, really well with some silver accessories. So we added some silver strappy sandals, silver jewelry, and a really chunky silver necklace. But I'm also gonna do that collar thing again with this top. I love the collar and like the peplum stuff. I think it pairs really well together. But since we have a super chunky necklace, I feel like it needs some breathing room, you know? I'm just gonna step over to the side for a second. So I did the little collar tuck thing. I feel like you can just tuck it in here. It changes the neckline a little bit to really switch it up from day to night. And that is it. I hope you guys loved it. I hope you guys loved all the outfits. I really wanted to show you guys multiple ways to wear everything so you can get the most use out of your summer wardrobe.